Good morning, Cleaners Connect. This is Chandler. I just want to give you guys a quick, this is a chair the customers give me. I'm taking that with me. Got some urine in the chair. Take care of that. It's a natural fiber. It looks like it's cotton. But anyways, when you have going to clean a natural fiber and the customer does not want you to take it away, I'm going to clean that pink room. That's the wool carpet. I'm going to clean this room. It's already been treated with serum CU. That's a nylon carpet. I'm actually going to clean this room first. Okay, back to a quick lesson. Thanksgiving lesson. This is a rug that was suggested to be taken and washed for obvious reasons. I don't know if you can see the urine stains here all over the rug, but the price was too high for the customer, and so they elected for me to clean it here. So what do? Well, the first thing you do, you put anything that's safe enough to help with the odor of the urine. I'm using Undoes It, probably 50-50. No use of putting it on at 100% because it's not going to remove the urine. The only way to remove the urine is to wash it. But if you want to do anything to help, like with a stain like this, I'll show you what you can leave on it that's safe, and that will work on it. No guarantees because you can't watch it, but it will work on it. So I'm going to get ready to extract it. Once I extract it, and I got all my preconditioner out of there, I'll show you how I put. I keep it in a dark, cool place so it'll be effective when I'm ready. This is my 3% in here. So I'm going to spray 3% on those stains. If you can buy this at the grocery store, hydrogen peroxide. And I'm going to use this 3% after I extract the rug. So one little safe way you guys can treat some stains on a wool rug that you got to clean at home. Okay. So I'm just going to leave this here. So I'm not going to precondition it with any other cleaner because Undoes It's fine. But I'm just going to extract it and rinse it out the best I can. Dry stroke it, and the goal is to leave a fiber free and clear. So when it dries, it'll dry in its best state possible. And the best state possible for wool is to be free and clear in an acid state. Okay? Just drop you guys a lesson for today, and just sharing my knowledge. And as you guys share yours, I learn from you guys too. So, thanks for viewing. If you have any questions, you know where to reach me.